Hey guys, Master Prince here again, and this time it's raining. Now again, big light. The lightning looks like it's gotten bigger. And oh my god, yeah, it's way easier to see the lightning now, isn't it? Oh god. There we go. It's very big and spooky. I'm going to show you my brother's window again. This is Travis, my bro. Okay. This time I'll open the blinds completely. Not like completely, like, just like, well, open them. Oh my god. Oh. It's huge, you guys. I'm gonna try to be quiet so you guys can like hear this. Oh. And my dad and my brother, my other brother, are still like in the rain right now because they went to go get milk. Because Bailey, she really just goes to sleep with milk still. Oh god, that rain is pushing really hard. Oh god, no. That is very spooky. In my last video, I said spooky 7 times. Oh god. There's a big tree, like, right over there. I don't know if you can see it, probably not. But I'm scared that Dad could get struck by lightning and fall onto one of my neighbor's houses. It could fall on either Valentine's house or Valentine's neighbor. Oh god. By the way, guys, if you don't know why I'm like I'm saying Valentine's name or something, it's because Valentine lives right in front of me. Okay. Oh my, oh. It's so big and scary and bright. Oh. Ugh. God. Oh. I think I'm gonna be sick. I have a very tight squeeze in my stomach. Oh god. The rain is pushing so hard it feels like it's gonna break this window. It won't. I really hope they don't get in a flash flood. Because it looks like it's just going to be a flash flood down the street. Oh my god. I'm going to get one more lightning bolt in the video and then I'm going to end it. Just wait, we'll see one. I'm going to try to get a big one. Oh, sorry. I'm going to listen. Okay, well, that's gonna be end of the video right now. Like, out here, because this is where I have to walk between the bed and the wall. Yeah, that's gonna be the end of it. And comment down below what is your favorite movie, and I will give you a shout out in our next video. And until next time, bye bye.